Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to take the Great Wave off Kanagawa and turn it into an animation. First, go to the link that you're provided for the Great Wave off Kanagawa. This is important because it's the correct size for animation. Once you're there, you're going to click on this arrow right here and download it. It'll download down here, and it usually goes to either your Google Drive account or to your Downloads folder. Once you've done that, you need to go to a website called piskelapp.com. You get there by going to www.piskelapp.com. Once you're there, you're going to click on Create Sprite. You do not need to log in. Just click on Create Sprite. This is your animation pane. The first thing we need to do is get the Great Wave off Kanagawa onto the screen. Go right here to the folder. It says Import. Click on the folder. Once you're there, you're going to go to the third yellow button. 1, 2, 3. It says Browse Images. Click there. And then you have to go find your Great Wave off Kanagawa. Here's mine. Click on it and click Open. It's going to ask you a question. You can click on the yellow button. Next. Then you want to click on this yellow button right here that says Replace. You can say OK. Now you have your Great Wave off Kanagawa. The first thing you want to do is decide what you're going to draw here. You might want to draw a cat surfboarding. You might want to draw swimmers. You might just draw foam coming off the wave. It's up to you. I'm going to start with foam. I can get this handy color picker tool right here, and I can click. Watch what happens to my color. Click. Oop, it's kind of hard to see there. Click. It's going to pick up whatever color I click. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a blue. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to click on my pen tool. I can click and make blue marks everywhere. Pretty cool, huh? Right now, I only have one animation. This is my animation preview. If yours, for some reason, looks really small, you can click right here and then choose full. So now I'm going to hover over this window, and I'm going to click right here where it says Duplicate Frame. I'm not going to make a new frame. If I do that, I can click on the garbage can. I want to hover, and I want to duplicate this frame. Nothing's happening, but now I can draw more dots, and watch what happens. Do you see them flashing up there? That's showing me that I've animated something. Now I hope you do a lot more detail in your animation than I'm going to do right now. It's a lot more fun to animate than it is to watch someone animate. So let's say I'm totally happy with my animation. Here it is. I can speed it up. I can slow it down. Once I'm happy, I'm going to click right here on the mountains that say Export. Click there. And you're going to click on the second yellow button that says Upload. That's really tricky, but that's the button you want to click on. Click. And you're going to have to wait a second. It takes a few seconds, but a yellow link will appear. Click on the yellow link and wait. It might take a second depending on your internet speed. And there's your finished animation. You can right-click and save image as, and save it somewhere to your computer where you're going to know what it is. You can save it as a name that you'll remember, and then you can turn it into your teacher however he or she tells you to.